Want to turn your house into a tropical oasis? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 jaw-dropping big leaf houseplants, how easy they are to grow, and expert tips you can't afford to miss, because even some small and common mistakes can prevent your plant from reaching its full potential size. Today we're diving into everything from Monstera magic to Calathea care. Indoor plants with huge leaves. Let's get started. Number 1. Monstera deliciosa, Swiss cheese plant. If you want that true jungle vibe with huge leaves in your living room, Monstera deliciosa is a must-have. It can grow up to 8 feet tall indoors, with those signature split leaves spreading out around 2 to 3 feet wide. The best part is, it's pretty easy to care for. Just give it bright, indirect light, and wipe the leaves once in a while to keep them dust-free. It's a perennial, so you'll enjoy it year-round, and it even grows cool aerial roots as it matures. Number 2. Fiddle Leaf Fig, Ficus lyrata. This one's a showstopper. Fiddle Leaf Fig has big, violin-shaped leaves and can grow up to 10 feet tall indoors. It loves bright, indirect sunlight and hates being moved too often. It's a perennial, but it's a bit pickier than some other big leaf plants. Keep it in a stable spot, water only when the topsoil feels dry, and avoid cold drafts. With a little love, this beauty can truly transform your space. Number 3. Elephant ear, Alocasia or Colocasia. True to its name, elephant ear has massive, heart-shaped leaves that can instantly add drama to any room. Depending on the variety, it can reach 3 to 6 feet indoors. It enjoys warm temperature, high humidity, and consistently moist soil. It's a perennial in warm climates, but often treated like an annual indoors unless you recreate that tropical vibe. Great for bathrooms or rooms with humidifiers. 4. Philodendron sellum, tree philodendron. With its deeply lobed leaves and wide, spreading form, Philodendron sellum brings a tropical touch without the fuss. It usually grows 4 to 6 feet wide indoors and is pretty low maintenance. It's a perennial and thrives in bright, indirect light. Just water it when the top inch of soil feels dry, and it'll reward you with bold, lush greenery. 5. Bird of Paradise, Strelitzia reginae. If you're after a tropical vibe and a bit of flair, the Bird of Paradise is a fantastic pick. Indoors, it can reach around 6 to 7 feet tall, with huge banana-like leaves that fan out beautifully. It needs plenty of bright, indirect light, but some direct sun is okay too. It's a perennial and does well in roomy spots where it can stretch out. Keep the soil lightly moist and rotate the pot every so often for even growth. 6. Calathea orbifolia. Calathea orbifolia is a true stunner with its large, round, silvery striped leaves. It's smaller than some of the others, about 2 to 3 feet wide, but it makes a big impression. It can be a little high maintenance, needing high humidity, filtered water, and low to medium light. Definitely a perennial, but more suitable for plant parents who enjoy a little extra care and attention. Number 7. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The classic rubber plant. This one's tough and adaptable, with large, glossy leaves that can grow up to 12 inches long. Indoors, it usually reaches 6 to 10 feet tall. It's a perennial, easy to care for, and does best in bright, indirect light. Let the top layer of soil dry out between waterings, and wipe down the leaves now and then to keep them shiny and dust-free. 8. Dieffenbachia, dumb cane. Dieffenbachia is an underrated big leaf beauty with striking variegated foliage. It usually grows 3 to 5 feet tall indoors and has wide, patterned leaves that brighten up shady corners. It's a perennial and super easy to grow. Just keep it in low to medium indirect light and water when the top inch of soil feels dry. But a heads up, it's toxic if ingested, so keep it away from pets and kids. Number 9. Banana plant, Musa dwarf varieties. Yep, you can grow a banana plant indoors, especially dwarf types. They have huge tropical leaves that fan out dramatically. Indoors, they reach around 5 to 6 feet. They're fast growers and perennial, but they need lots of bright light and humidity. Water regularly, and give it room to breathe. Even if it never fruits, it brings that wild, resort-like vibe in your home. Number 10. Alocasia poly, African mask plant. Compact but dramatic, Alocasia poly has bold arrow-shaped leaves with bright veins. It stays smaller, about 1 to 2 feet tall, but the leaves are eye-catching and glossy. It's perennial, but a bit high maintenance. It loves high humidity and well-draining soil, and doesn't like to dry out completely. Perfect for plant lovers who enjoy a challenge. So, whether you want a full-blown jungle or just a statement plant for your corner, these big leaf houseplants can instantly bring life and drama into your home. If this video gave you some inspiration, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more plant care, home styling, and garden tips. If you got a favorite from the list, or growing one already, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you. Your comments, shares, and subscription means a world to me, and it helps to grow our small plant-loving community. Thanks for watching, and happy growing!